Angela Merkel wants a quick deal, but can she get it?
Well, Anna, that is really the question, but this is what she will tell the European Parliament today when she makes the case for this recovery fund, 750 billion euros, 500 billion euros to be handed out in grants to countries like Italy and Spain badly hit by the corona crisis. Now, Merkel is really expected to repeat the same arguments she's really been saying now for 2 weeks, that this is the best way to go about in Europe, that this is the best way to ensure a fair recovery for the single market, and this is also good for the German economy. Ultimately, Germany is a country that depends on exports. They need to sell things to other countries. It's no good if the European periphery is trailing behind the core. Nonetheless, I would say there is still a lot of divisions happening here. We know the Frugal Fours are saying they still believe they should be a more traditional bailout, cash for reforms, and they want to see those countries come forward with reform programs. Again, it's unclear, but Angela Merkel will defend that line here today, and nonetheless, it is symbolic. She's decided to come here to Brussels, her first trip, but also throw her entire political capital behind this recovery fund.
Maria, the Commission also signaled it's worried about a slow response to the crisis and the possibility of an uneven recovery, right?
Yes, and Matt, you know, those numbers that we had yesterday from the European Commission did show that this is going to be a deeper economic contraction than the one they were expecting just 2 months ago. So we're now expecting an 8% contraction. That's a full percentage point more than just 2 months ago. What is really striking, though, is if you look at the different countries, you see that Italy, Spain, even the French economy will go into a recession of close to 10%. You look at Germany, that is going to be 6%. There's clear divergence between the north and the south. And that, when you speak to politicians here, they tell you it's even more reason to get this recovery fund, this stimulus package, approved quickly, because you don't want to get into a two-tier recovery when you look at Europe. But the numbers at this point are pointing that way, that this is not going to be an even recovery across the European Union.